In today's video, I'll show you on how you can adjust infill in Bambu Studio. As you can see for our logo right here, it will have this infill that has the shape or the square pattern. Now to adjust your infill, it's going to be extremely easy. Navigate through the strength category on the global options right here. Scroll down and then we have the sparse infill. Now, of course, you have to edit the sparse infill density if you want to adjust your infill. In my case, I'm going to put something like 30, which basically is times 2 to the default setting. And from here, I'm also going to edit out the pattern into something like cubic. So if you click on the slice plate option once more, it should apply our infill. And as you can see, we now have more dense infill onto our model right here. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.